It's prep day! Welcome back to the studio! Today is all about getting organized for our next TikTok live. We're currently prepping some fresh acrylic blanks for the new drops, and there is something so satisfying about seeing the final product come together. For those of you who love a good deal, I go live weekly over at Wgsuppliez for our famous 3-star grab bags. They go fast, so you definitely want to be there early. I'm going to show you a bit of the workflow today, from the live setup to packing up your orders. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe to follow my small business journey.
And that's how you're gonna claim right there, bid. You guys are gonna click on bid. That should pop up at the bottom.